Black bean brownies. And he doesn't even like black beans. First thing we need to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees.
We did that.
Boom. Then you need to grab an 8x8 or 9x9 pan and grease it. A small can of black bean.
Mix together beans, eggs, oil, and vanilla.
A teaspoon. Nano measuring.
Yeah, a smidgen.
A smidgen, exactly. In another bowl, you're gonna combine the dry ingredients. Sugar, cocoa powder, semi-sweet chocolate chips or some chopped up chocolate, instant coffee, your salt, and your baking powder. Truth be told, I have no idea why we're supposed to separate wet ingredients from dry ingredients. It's a baking thing that I don't understand, but I just follow the directions.
Put it in the oven, start with 30 minutes.
You're done when your batter doesn't jiggle and your edges look cooked. Just wait for your brownies to cool and top with anything you like, or nothing at all.